Hey friends, what is up? It's Melanie. This week's video is gonna be another fun little week in the life slash vlog at school, or a study vlog because we're always studying and grinding here. It's actually Valentine's Day today, hence my small festive touches to my outfit. But this is just another good old college vlog. I will admit to you, I am filming this intro on Tuesday, although I started filming during the weekend, which is a little confusing. But this past weekend, Alex and I went to the Silver Lake Flea Market, and it was a fun, cute day. So I was like, I should include this in the vlog so that it's not just all school and work. But nonetheless, I'm just filming little tidbits from the week, regular life here at Pepperdine. Thank you guys so much for joining me and coming along, and let's get straight into the vlog. Guys, I swear Alfred's makes an entrance into every single one of my videos, but I can't help it. Today, they were having a little deal. I was gonna make coffee at home, but they were having a deal where it was like $3 vanilla lattes because it is National Latte Day, February 11th. Mark your calendars. Unfortunately, it's too late, so I'm sorry if you cannot go run to your Alfred's, but I don't think anyone else does this deal. But beautiful start to our very fun day plan.
What if you're gonna have to take that out because you're gonna post it too late? Like February 3rd. It's March 8th.
You think today's February 3rd?
That's what you said.
Do you know the number of today? Alex never knows the date or the time or like.
February 11th, National Latte Day.
Uh-oh, my camera's out of battery already. Uh-oh.
Seriously?
It's at half. Okay, so we have arrived at our destination.
Flea market.
Flea market. We're going to the Silver Lake Flea Market today because I've been in a little mood for shopping. I feel like I haven't been to one in a really long time, and we thought it would be a good activity for today because it's the first like free weekend we've had in a while. So let's go check it out. Is this your first flea market ever?
No.
Yeah?
Yeah. Flea market ever.
Yeah.
We literally went to one together in Seattle. It was all wet and rainy and cold.
That didn't count. We went for like 10 minutes.
We were there for like an hour and a half.
Okay. So we're gonna go.
Those blankets. You never seen these blankets?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Oh, I know which one you're talking about.
It's really made out of blanket. That's cool.
It has a dog's face.
That's really cool.
Sure.
Okay.
Look how cute it is.
I don't think.
No. I was gonna say we should do 3, 2, 1 and see which one we both pick. I'm so sad. That one's so cute.
Okay. 3,
Ready?
2, 1.
Ooh.
This looks like it fit. How do I?
Did he get it? Should he get it? What do you think? Turn around.
I don't know. I think it's a little.
This is cool. $25, guys. What are the thoughts? So much stuff. Okay, so little update. Hopefully you can hear me because we are quite literally on the side of a street. Took a little break to get some food, but we did not buy anything at the flea market. Honestly, we only had like an hour there before they started closing stuff up, which is completely on us. But it's fine. I think we both struggle from the same thing where when we go to flea markets, like there's way too much selection, and so we just like end up getting nothing. So we're gonna be going to this really big thrift store, and hopefully we have more success there. Made it to the new spot. Pretty clouds, but you can't see. Okay, hi guys. So I think I've mentioned this to you before, but it is Tuesday, and on Tuesdays I have a lovely 3-hour break in between my classes, which means I have all the time in the world, it feels like, to do like everything I need to get done. It's kind of weird because Tuesday's just like never been my favorite day in the week, but like now it is, just because of the way my school schedule is. So I was able to run a couple errands. Okay, this might sound dumb, but I'm really proud of myself because I bought meat, and like maybe I bought the wrong meat. I don't really know how to cook meat. Like I get mistaken as a vegetarian or a vegan so often. I guess I just radiate that energy, but I also just like, I don't know, maybe it's not as common of a girl thing as I think, but like I just don't really like cooking it. I'll buy pre-cooked stuff sometimes, but a lot of times I'm just like, whatever, I don't need it, and I just like cook veggies. But I'm making some kimchi fried rice, so I got onion, carrots, and then I got green onion because let me show you guys this. I've been posting it on my like story here and there because I just think it like looks cute too. But do you see this? This is green onion that one of my housemates grew just from like planting the chopped off little stems from it. But look how much, like look at the roots. I don't know, like it is solid like 2 feet tall. It's kind of crazy. Like I've never seen green onion at the store sold like that. It's insane. So I just thought it would be fun to bring you guys to cook with me because I unfortunately don't cook very much, or if I do cook, it's like with Alex at like literally 11 p.m. and we're starving, so I don't film it. It doesn't look aesthetic. It tastes good, but it doesn't look good. And I also just want to shout out that my other housemate little Galentine's thing last night, and it was the cutest thing ever, and we still have the like remnants of it around our house lingering, and so I just love it because our house is so Valentine's Day themed, and I love Valentine's Day. Also, dead flowers, the move, because we don't have to do anything to take care of them and they still look cute. But look at all these leftover snacks. That unfortunately, that was me. That is so sad. But look at all of these goodies in here. More of them. Oh my gosh, we have so much. And then one of my other housemates, she literally came back for an hour and made chocolate covered strawberries. Like that's such talent and productivity, because when I have an hour in between class, I like sit and rock on my phone. Not good at all. And then we also added this to our little art wall, which I think is adorable. And hold up, there's more. She made us each personal little cards. It's so cute. So we just put them up in my little coffee corner. So cute. Anyways, I think I included a couple little clips of that in this video, but I didn't vlog too much because Mondays are like really stressful for me and just like not fun. So I usually like don't have time to vlog much. But thankfully it is now Tuesday and we're gonna make some food. Okay guys, finished! And I still have about an hour left, so hopefully I have time to eat a little, and then I want to get some work done too, but I always put that off. Okay guys, so I am being really bad right now. Sometimes when I don't have like a big enough time to sit down and like get in my little groove of doing work, I'm just like, I'll just do it later, which is really bad because you actually can get a lot done in like 20 to 30 minutes. But when I'm at home, I just get distracted, if I'm gonna be honest. And I had some packages at my front step, so we're gonna do a little unboxing instead. Hopefully this is cute, like sunlit lighting, not like distracting. But okay, first off, wow. Oh, I love, today is Valentine's Day, but oh, maybe I should do this after class. Look at these guys. So cute, and I am a huge supporter of stick-on nails. I think they're so fun. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh, and I love these. These are like not press-on nails, but they're like stickers that go onto your natural nails. I wish I was wearing them right now. It would match my outfit. But these are just a couple nail products they sent, which is so sweet. Huge thank you to Dashing Diva. Oh my gosh. Next we have this box, and I have a little guess who it is from. Cute. cute. Okay, this is kind of lame, geeky in a way, but as a business major and someone who wants to go into marketing, I just love seeing like the PR stuff and the way that they like make it all fun and themed. It's so cute. Guys, I've been a huge sucker for gummy candy recently. Oh, would you look at this? I think this is my first beauty blender. Oh, it's like a bear looking cleaning set, which I think is really helpful. It also came with these, which I just like love, these packaging peanuts from L'Oreal True Match. Got some foundation, which is awesome because I think I mentioned this in an earlier video, but I like literally brought no makeup to school, so this will be good. Huge thank you to you guys for supporting me and to all of the companies who gifted me these lovely items. I'm gonna finish my fried rice and then go run off to my second class, my last class for the day, thankfully. Hi guys, so I am back at home, surprisingly so early. This class goes until 5:50, so I usually get out when the sun is literally setting, but as you can see right now, I got out at like 4:30, which is amazing. I love it when class finishes early, obviously, who doesn't? So I'm just gonna get some work done because I have Valentine's Day planned, so I want it all to just be like off my mind. Such a beautiful day out. Don't know why, but I am such a floor person. Like, I love sitting on the floor to do my work. So here's the setup. Hey guys, I'm not gonna lie. We went shopping last Saturday. It is now Friday, so it's almost a week since we bought these things, but we want to give you a little mini haul. We each got 2 items, so it's not, yeah, it's mini, but they're promising items. They're not from the flea market, they're from the thrift store that we went to afterwards.
I got this like a faded like flannel short sleeve thing.
Yeah. Okay. He's giving you a try on. I wasn't gonna make this a try on, but
well, too late.
Oh, and he's wearing my merch. Oh, would you wear it like this? Like on top of a hoodie? It kind of looks cool, but it kind of looks like we're in like middle school. Yeah. So we're going on a trip somewhere warm soon, and so I've kind of just been in like the mood to get stuff that I can wear there. Of course I can wear it here too. Basically it's just getting warmer. So got this top. It gives kind of like Free People Anthropology vibes. Very flowy. I think I might crop it.
Every time you crop something, it like shrinks and you're like, what happened to it?
You're just talking about the 2 tops. I had to rebuy.
There's like 4.
No.
This is just like a long sleeve, kind of oversized, just like button up. Nothing too crazy. I like it. It's brown.
Picture this.
It's not like crazy. And last but not least.
Last but not least, I got these pants that are a little crazy. They're just like flowy. They zip up, but they have a nice little tie. It would be a fun little statement piece. But yeah, that was it for our little haul, all the things we picked up. And this is also going to be the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for coming along. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to see all the other videos and content coming soon. But thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!